are you? I wanted to make you this video so that we can practice our letters and letter sounds. I hope you're doing good. I miss you. Okay, let's get started. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. B. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. Oh, look, dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. Goat. H is for horse. Horse. Look, horse. I is for insect. 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 Oh. J is for jump. Jump. K is for kite. Kite. Kite, yeah. L is for leaf. Oh. M is for mountain. N is for nest. Nest. Good. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pig. Pig. Wink, wink. Q is for queen. Queen. It has two sounds. Kwa. Good. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snake. Snake. T is for tiger. Good. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Good job. V is for van. Good. W is for whale. Wah. Good. Good. X is for x-ray. Two sounds. Good. Y is for yo-yo. Yeah, yo-yo. And me, Miss Young. Yeah. Z is for zipper. Zipper. Good job. Yay. All right. Keep practicing. Bye.